Hey guys, welcome back to another motivational cleaning video. Today's video, I'm going to do a very quick speed clean of a very messy morning with my kiddos. So if you like cleaning motivation, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new, hit that red subscribe button and I would love to have you.
Wait now.
So we have our new, well not new, but I got the kitchen out from the attic for the girls to play with, and of course they love it. So just a few toys out. Just think, rearranging. My children love rearranging things. So right now my 3-year-old is not quite asleep for her nap, so I don't know how far I'll get. So let's go ahead and do a quick tidy up. If you are new, my name is Sarah, and I'm so glad you clicked on today's video. If you need some cleaning motivation today, click that thumbs up and that red subscribe button and be a part of our little cleaning community. I'm so glad we're doing this together. So let's make paradise at home together today. So here I'm going to start in the living room and clean up these toys probably for the second time now. But I do want to mention that we don't necessarily have a playroom. So our living room has turned into the playroom, which I'm fine with that. I kind of like that this is a room that everyone can congregate all together. The only issue is the toys are, small and they get under things, and it's really difficult and takes a while to clean. But I do clean for the sole purpose of my 2 girls' mood. I find that they play better when they come down after a nap and they see that they have a nice space to play in. So that's really the only reason I do it. It's not because I get kind of paranoid over the mess. It's just, it actually helps their mood. Let me know in the comments if your children are like mine, where if they play in a more clean environment that they play better and they get less fussy. Let me know, because that's worked for me. So the kitchen was the real mess for this day. We actually went and drove to my husband's work to spend lunch with him. And just kind of like a little tip on how to save money, but still kind of have a family event or outing. I packed some leftover dinners as our lunch and heated them up and put them in a bag and all that. And we drove and we had lunch in the car. And as a little perk to me and him, we went and got coffee. And I also packed some of these healthy brownie black bean brownies with us, and so it actually saved tons of money and we ate a little bit healthier that day. So we enjoy doing that often. So I say all this to say that the kitchen was very messy because I did not clean it the night before, and we left for the day and had more Tupperware to clean. So here I am stacking every little bit in this dishwasher as best as I can so that I can run it.
I wanna now. Yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
Don't wanna grow another day, run around
So before this farmhouse sink, I also had like a porcelain sink that was, I think it was like a light grayish color. But ever since I had lighter sinks, I've had to use like a Clorox like mixture cleaner, because with like coffee and dark, food items, you do over time get like a film or a stain, and I have to use this cleaner often, especially now with a white farmhouse sink, and it cleans off any little stain that pops up. So I had to do that today because it had gotten so bad, so much coffee and so many different spots and things. So if you have a white or a light colored sink, maybe a cleaner like a Clorox cleaner would help with any kind of stains. As always, I'm going to use these Method all-purpose cleaner on my stove and granite cleaner on my granite countertops. If you're new to my channel, I made a video about 2 weeks ago showcasing the before and after of my new kitchen. This kitchen is about 1.5 years old, and we had a lot of fun during the process, and of course learned a lot during the process and realized how much certain items cost. So go over to my channel now and look at that video. I'll try to link it in the description box as well as put it in the cards above here. For the makeover edition of our kitchen, you would be amazed and shocked at the before.
We can stay forever young. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done now that we're
Lately, I've been dedicating a lot of time to mopping my floors. Now that I have 2 children, it actually gets a little bit dirtier because they do eat in this area. So I'm pushing myself and reminding myself to mop more often because I've noticed just how dirty it has gotten. So I don't know about you, but before kids, I didn't mop very often, but now I have to mop a lot.
'cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are
Thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little quick tidy up and clean with me. I know some days you don't have a lot of time, but I hope this gives you that motivation you need today just to get up and do one little task to make your home a paradise. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in my next video.